Hey, what's up, Kendra? How's it going?
Hi.
What do you think about Maroon 5 being chosen to do the Super Bowl halftime?
I'm getting on one of these things.
Uh-oh.
I gotta focus.
Okay, don't be careful now. Don't fall.
What do you do? Oh wait, I have to get on the. Oh come on! You're said no. Oh, excuse me.
You can fit 2 people on those things?
Yeah, you can.
Wow, I didn't know that.
I'll walk.
Yeah, you can't risk you hurting yourself.
You can ride it yourself.
What do you?
But,
what do you do?
you know.
Where?
You put it forward,
Where?
and then you slow it down.
Okay, I push that.
Yeah. Okay, you're gonna do like a couple kicks.
Wait, what? Woo!
There you go.
Oh my god!
Yeah, don't hurt yourself.
Oh my god!
Don't do that.
I'm done. I'm walking.
Is that enough? That's enough bird scooter for you for one day?
Hold on, Rich.
Oh my god.
How was your pizza?
It was so good.
It was good? So do you...
I actually had a meatball sub.
Oh, okay, okay. So what's been going on with you lately? What are you up to?
I think I'm just chilling.
Just chilling? What? I know you're big into sports. Do you have any opinion on Maroon 5 being the halftime show like performer?
I just saw Maroon 5 live in Austin.
Really?
They're great.
Well, it was good.
Yeah.
So you're for it then. What do you think about the whole like
Yeah.
Colin Kaepernick thing? Are you down with the knee or like against it, or what do you think?
Of course. Speak your mind.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Sounds good. Well, that's good. It was good seeing you guys today, and glad you didn't hurt yourself on the scooter.
Thank you.
Yeah. Take care, Kendra.